everyone, welcome to my channel. I found this really cool sculpture on Wayfair's website. It sells for $188 Canadian, but I want to make it cheaper. I'm using this Barbie head as my mold. I attached a piece of paper roll around the neck and covered the face with saran wrap. I'm using this air dry clay I bought at the dollar store. I'm not an artist, I'm a crafter, so I hope this turns out looking good. I placed the clay on her face and started shaping it with my fingers and some tools. And I let it dry overnight. It's starting to look really cool. I sanded some of the edges to give it a smoother surface. I'm gluing a dowel to the back to hold it up. I'm going to apply more clay to the back so there's more surface for the glue. And I'm adding a little bit more clay to the front to cover a couple of holes and to smooth out more edges. While that's drying, I grabbed some wood circles and glued them together. Now I need to find the center of the circle so I can drill a hole for the dowel. It was hard finding the center, so I looked online to see if there was an easier way to find the center of a circle. I found this video, but it was really complicated. There was a lot of math. There's got to be an easier way. I grabbed a scrap piece of paper, traced out the circle, cut it out, and then folded it a couple of times, and then cut the corner, and then there's my center. So much easier. I drilled my hole, but my drill bits are so small, so I had to keep drilling until the hole got bigger. I need some new tools. Great, the dowel fits. The extra clay I applied to the back didn't work, it dried and then it just fell off. I gave the face mask another sanding. I cut down the dowel with my fancy miter set. And now the mask is dry and ready for painting. I painted the whole mask with this gold as well as the dowel and got my other golds and sponged the rest of the paints together. I gave the base a couple of coats with this flat black because that's all I had. Now everything is painted, I just have to put it all together. I glued the dowel to the face mask with hot glue. But I wanted it to be more secure because it is a bit heavy, so I grabbed some scrap vinyl and I glued those pieces onto the back. It doesn't look great, but at least I know it won't fall off. Then I applied some glossy black nail polish to the stand. I really love how it turned out. Now let's see how much I spent. I didn't really buy anything for this dupe. I had the clay and all the paints, but I'm going to estimate the cost and how much I used to get the final tally. I bought the Barbie head at the thrift store for $3. I didn't buy it for this project, I just bought it for my other channel. I didn't destroy the doll head so I could still use it, but I'm still going to add $3. I got the clay from the dollar store for $1.50. I only used a small part of it, so let's add $1/4 for that. I used wood rounds, also from the dollar store, cost $2, and I used the whole package. The dowels are a part of a package. I only used one, so let's add another $1/4. The small little wood ring was also from another package of many, so I'll add another $1/4 for that. The paints are from a package of 6 gold tones I bought from Amazon. Let's add $2 for the paint that I used. And let's add another 50 cents for the black paint and nail polish. So the total for this dupe is $8.25. Now that's real thrifty. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe and please turn on notifications for all videos. Bye for now.